Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage P, the valley, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The horse neighed. It had become lost in a valley and could not find its way back to the others. The horse bent its long neck to drink again from the small creek. A breeze came and went. The horse could smell grass and was tempted to eat, but finding its family was more important. As the breeze came again, the horse lifted its head and hoped it would find the others with sight or smell. Questions. Where was the horse? What did the horse want to do? What did the horse drink from? Was the horse hungry? How do you know that? How did the horse hope to find its family? Now let's check the answers. Where was the horse? We could say the horse is in a valley or by a small creek. It mentions a valley here and a small creek here. What did the horse want to do? The horse wanted to find the other horses. We know this because it says finding its family is more important than eating grass. And it also hopes to find the others in the last sentence. What did the horse drink from? It drank from a small creek. Was the horse hungry? How do you know that? Yes, the horse was hungry because it was tempted to eat the grass. How did the horse hope to find the other horses? The horse hoped to use its sight and smell to find the other horses. It says that in the last sentence. Thank you for your time. How did you go?